Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the John Deere Gator line of utility vehicles. Just want to touch base. They really have enhanced the line over the years. They still offer the traditional work series like the TX Gator. Been around for decades, tried and true, proven machine, but it's kind of your base run-around vehicle. It's available. These have got the heavy-duty all-purpose tires. They do have a turf tire, so if you use them in strictly a turf application, that is available. So it's a nice workhorse, simple, reliable, just a great durable machine. You know, what's gotten more popular, this has been a very popular unit, the HPX 615E. So this you get into four-wheel drive. Comes standard with the roll bar that you can attach a cab to, so you can add the cab to this unit. Comes with either the bucket seats or these have the bench seats, which are getting very popular. Gives you a little more room. And this is a four-wheel drive unit. So this is kind of like a work/play. So if you want the four-wheel drive for maybe, you know, if you have some more property and you need that traction, the four-wheel drive, or if you want to do a little trail riding, it gives you a little more speed on this machine, but it's kind of geared still towards work. So it's a nice kind of multi-purpose machine. This has been a very popular unit. There again, it's just been a great machine, been around for a long time. But with some of the production delays kind of stemming through the pandemic, it's been a while since we've had a full line of Gators, but we've got the 500 series and the 800 series. What's nice with the John Deere series, when you get into the 5 and 800 series, they offer a lot of different models. So there's value machines, kind of, you know, your base models. They have deluxe versions, a lot of different customizable options with tires and canopies, different seats. So it gives you a lot of flexibility where you could build kind of the machine for you. So we'll talk a little bit about those series. Here we're going to talk about the XUV 500 series. This particular unit's a 560E, so this is the entry-level model. So you notice it comes more with a standard, kind of more of a standard wheel. But I should point out they're the same chassis, so you're not getting less machine. You're just kind of getting a basic model. You get standard wheels, comes with more like the regular netting versus the doors on some of the other models. All your roll bar machines will come with seat belt standard, that's required. So this would be considered a mid-size. So it's a nice all-around size where if you have some smaller areas to work around, just don't want a big machine. And it's a little more affordable than the 800 series as well. So this would be more of, I guess we'll say work sport, a little more speed than like an HPX, but it's still gonna have the capacity to do some work. And you know, all the Gators do come standard with a payload box. So this is a great unit if you're looking for something a little nicer than the more of the work series, but it's still a nice compact frame. And now we'll talk a little bit about the 560M. The 560M, if you notice, compared to the E, so there are a lot of upgradable wheels, but this has got the nice aluminum wheels, little deeper lug, be a little better off trail. Here you get the hard-sided doors with a regular latch, so versus having to unhook the net. These have the bench seats as standard. Here we've got this one equipped with the hard plastic top, and there again you could add full doors if you want to build a cab on this unit. You could do that as well. And that's something you could add on at a later date as well. I should point out all the 5 and 800 series do come standard as four-wheel drive. So it gives you that extra enhanced traction with the four-wheel drive. So it's been a great unit, and like I say, the availability is good, so now's the time to come in and pick out your new Gator. From here, we'll talk a little bit about the 800 series. To round out the Gator line, there's the 800 series. This particular model is the 835M. So if you notice, this is considered a full-size UTV. Much bigger machine, both width and length. In fact, this is a three-passenger. This is a three-passenger bench seat, larger payload box, and you get into higher horsepower. It's available in gas or diesel, and you get ground speeds up to 50 miles per hour. So this is a little more, you know, work recreation type machine. So like I say, this is kind of the entry model. You can get these with full deluxe cloth seats, air-conditioned heated cabs. So the key with these, this is something a lot of people look at it as their baby, their toy. So, you know, we can customize it to fit your needs, and like I say, they're much more readily available than they have been. And we do have inventory coming in, you know, all the time. So the 800 series, if you're looking for a full-size great heavy duty machine. Definitely take a look at the XUV 800 series. Stop by and see us today.
Weingartz, everything.